Hello, and here we will learn true facts about the spotted ratfish, Hydrolagus colliei. The spotted ratfish is a relative of the great white shark and other cartilaginous fish like stingrays and skates. But don't worry, they won't eat you. They diverged about 400 million years ago during the Lower Triassic period. The main difference between the group containing sharks, the elasmobranchs, and the ratfish group, the brachiodonts, are the ratfish have their upper jaw fused to the brain case and covered gill slits, while the sharks do not have this fusion and possess separate gill openings. The brachiodonts have two genera, the Hydrolagus and the Chimera. Historically a mythological animal, chimeras actually look like this. No, it's not. No, this one. I'm sorry. My grad student put this together.
A diver can find these strange creatures in shallow waters up to 900 meters from Alaska to Baja California. Totally catching some rad waves, man. But hey, watch out for their venomous spines on their back.
Get out of here, Brendan. Okay, so where were we? Oh yes, spotted ratfish. What do they eat? Oh, feeding on small fish and invertebrates, including clams, shrimps, sea stars, and worms. Hydrolagus colliei flutter slowly along the ocean floor in their fishy way, using their rabbit-like noses to sniff out potential prey. They have a tendency to travel in groups based on age and sex. Speaking of sex, there has been some misinformation regarding the sex organs of the guys of this species. Although there is a sex organ on the head called the tentaculum, or cephalic claspers, the real action happens down under. The pelvic claspers...
Whoa, that's like totally a ratfish's penis.
Go back to counting zooxanthellae! Now, both the pelvic claspers and the tentaculum do as their name implies. Help the male hold the female during copulation. The egg is internally fertilized. These animals are oviparous, so the female extrudes the eggs as seen here, sometimes taking up to 30 hours. Can you imagine that labor? Until the typically pair of eggs are fully outside the body and hanging from the mother. The mother carries around the eggs for 4 to 6 days before dropping them to the ocean floor to incubate for about 12 months before breaking open and revealing new life. So I bet just about now you're sitting at home wondering, why should I care about these guys anyway? Well, studies have shown that these fishies contain a hormone in their brains called gonadotropin-releasing hormone, or GnRH, that is extremely similar to the GnRH form found in you and I. This hormone is not found in the earlier ancestors of the ratfish or the other cartilaginous fish, potentially suggesting the common phylogenetic ancestry of this fish, other bony fish, and tetrapods. So other than the fact that that's really cool, why is GnRH important? It is an important in-between signal for the production of estrogen and testosterone in humans. This hormone is not produced constantly, instead being secreted in pulses. In children with precocious puberty and men with prostate cancer, constant administration of GnRH has medicinal benefits. For women, the suppression of GnRH is how most birth controls work. I hope you enjoyed this episode of True Facts, and will tune in next week for our next mysterious marine creature, the mermaid.